No need to figure out which job sites work best or spend hours managing them all. TCC already built the system. Every platform, all at once. Budget optimizing in real time for quality interviews, not junk resumes. While ads run, our team is headhunting directly from a combined, ever-growing database of North American construction candidates. No construction company has the time to build this. No traditional recruiter is running it. You have it now.